So page 23, again, lesson 5. We started yesterday, did the odds. We're going to roll through and get the evens done. Some of you I know already started on your assignment, which is fine. Going through the other half here should hopefully clear up any questions that you had. So answering number 2, it says we divide the result by 11. And of course the result means, well, here would be the top.
Okay, that's what I had a question about.
That's what the result is, whatever the big section is. So technically we should say take the result times 9 here.
But, so, Mr. Milburn, I have a question.
This one says divide 14 by the result. So the question you're going to ask is being answered right here.
No, but so for all of them?
It should have the word result in there.
Okay, so as long as it has...
Number 7, we should have wrote the result. That means this part.
Okay, I'm good.
Plus 4.
Okay, good.
This one is 2 times the result, or the result times 2.
Do we have to put that in?
Should,
But
because that's what the directions say. So from now on, we're going to add that.
Why didn't we...
We're not going to redo them all yesterday.
He did have us do yesterday, Kira.
We should have read the directions, Kira.
no one told me that.
Yes, I told you that.
All right, number 4. What do you think then? What do you think for number 4?
Subtract.
No.
I agree with it being subtract.
Okay.
From 3.
Well, subtract 3 from 8?
Yeah.
No.
Subtract 3.
Nope.
The result.
Yeah, this would be considered the result. So we're subtracting the result from 8.
Okay, but how do you know which is which?
I don't know what you mean.
So,
I don't want the assignment,
No, I'm
Lambert.
not going to give you the assignment, but I'm going to show you this. So, how can you tell the difference? You have the result plus 4,
Yep.
and then you just go from subtract the result from that. Can't you just put the result from, or just subtract, the result from subtract?
That doesn't make sense, what you just said.
So,
Do you want to just say subtract 8?
yeah.
You can't, because it's not 3h minus 8.
But,
You're subtracting the result from 8. You are subtracting this from 8.
so,
So the order you subtract matters, as we talked about yesterday.
can I just go like this? The result minus 8? Or is that...
No, because that would be this.
Oh, okay, I got this.
That's backwards.
It's so confusing, but anyway.
This is the result minus 8. That's not the same as that.
Okay. So what if...
Okay, number 6. We're going to do more examples. That's how we're going to get better. Okay, so what's the result?
3.
No.
6.
No.
9.
Nope.
H.
Nope.
2. Stop guessing. It's not guessing. It's
This would be the result.
the result of that. Oh, so
Yeah, I said number 6.
6.
Okay. Subtract 6 from the result. Suppose technically you could say the result minus 6. Those are both the same thing.
So this is the result minus 6, right? Yes.
Okay, what do you think on 8? Again, which part is the result? That'd be the big portion. What do you think?
Add.
Now, this is not hard, guys. What are you doing to it?
Add 3 from the result.
Add 3 to the result. All right, page 24. Again, we did the left side, I believe, first.
No, it's not the right.
So try the right side.
Hard to do.
Got him, Landon?
Almost.
All right, most everybody had the first one right.
Yeah.
Square B, then it's subtracted from 7. C.
Oh, C without D.
Square B, then subtract 7. That would be the opposite of that.
So that's. Oh,
That would be 17. What do you think of the other ones?
18 is A.
18 is A.
16D.
Very good.
Okay, so I just got C and D mixed up.
Now the order is super important, so you got to have it that
I
way.
did get it right. That's nice.
All right, number 20. 4 minus twice some number.
4 minus n plus 2. 2n.
2n. Again, look how close that is to the one that we did yesterday in front of it. The order matters. 1 less than the square of some number.
1 minus square n. Square n, no, n squared minus 1.
There you go. There's your number squared, and it said 1 less than that. Again, it has to be in that order.
I had it that way, I just did.
Question 24. Jacob thought of a number. Okay, so what letter do you want to use for a number?
4.
How about N? Since that's a letter.
Wait, what letter do you want to use?
Okay. Add 5. Show that. How do I show add 5 to that?
Just plus 5.
Or 3 plus 5.
Take that whole thing multiplied by 2. How do I show that?
You put
2 n squared plus.
Yes, Kira. Put in parentheses. Put a 2 in front.
Well, I was close.
Then it says subtract 8.
Then subtract 8 on the end of it.
There you go. That's A. That is the expression. Says Jacob got 24 as his result. Lena used a simplified expression for this trick of 2n plus 2. When you combine like terms, that's what you get. And got 24. Use that to find the number that Jacob was thinking of. So 2 ways to look at this. Could look at it as a diagram hanger like we've talked about. One side you have 2 n's and a 2, and the other side you have 24. I gotta figure out what n is.
Can't we do 22 divided by 2?
22 divided by 2?
Yeah, because there's 2
Good
on
with
the other
that?
side.
Yeah.
So what's that gonna be?
22 divided by 2 would be
Half of
11.
22. 11? That's exactly right.
Good
Oh.
job, Maddie.
Very good.
I'm so surprised. That's odd.
I'm not surprised.
Yes, sounds
Yes,
like
11 is an odd number. Good job.
It sounds like me when I said 5 yesterday.
Yeah. Thank you. What?
All right, 26.
I'm smart too. I said 5 yesterday and I got it right.
Out of how many times you said
Both these equations are true. What could the yellow shape and the green shape be?
Yellow could be 2, the green could be 4.
See if that works. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4, yes. It says if they are not equal, then what could it be? And that would be 2 and 4. You already found the ones that wouldn't be equal. The other ones that would work would be 0. And then 0 wouldn't have worked for 27, but you already found it. All right, I'm gonna have you try 30.
Okay.
Landon loves these.
Yeah.
I love
Hate's a strong word.
What
I
that
know
just
it's like these.
I strongly dislike them.
That's fine.
Miss Mildred, I wanted to get him a test. I still haven't got that yet, but
Landon,
yeah.
stop whistling. The middle one multiplied by 16 has a lot of choices, so I'm going to leave that for the end. And then I gave you your test back.
You did?
Yep.
Oh. Oh, okay.
All right, hopefully you got a start on it. Let's just kind of chat our way through it. Again, I like to put little numbers of things that it can be.
I did
I
it.
started over here with the 2 and 3, 3 and 1, 2, 3. This has to be a 3.
Yeah.
So like if I look here, I know I'm going to have a 2 or 3 here. So that means this has to be a 3, this has to be a 1. Because there's already going to be a 3 in this column. Which means I can get this guy. Because I know the 3 can't be here. Because there's already one here. So it has to go 2, 3, and that means my bottom number has to be 4. So I'm not sure where my 2 or 1 here go yet. This 2 and 3, which order do they go in?
Two on top.
No, yeah, put it on the bottom and 2 on top.
Yeah, because there's already a 3 on top here. So 2 and 3. And up here I got 1, 2, and 4. Only numbers I could think of that would give me 8. That means this must be a 2 because of the 2 here.
Now I'm with,
And this can't be a 1.
there's gotta be 4.
That means my 1 has to be there. Okay, so what number has to go here?
4.
I'm going to go way to the bottom. 1, 2, or 2, 1.
2 1.
That means this must be a 4, this must be a 1. There you go.
I did it.
Four once more.
I didn't even get it.
Middle.
Did you really? I did. I'll show you my proof.
All right.
Small request.
Yeah.
Cross out 32.
Just because I missed
Don't cross it out.
Can.
Yeah. I thought about it,
No, let's do it.
I wanna
but
do
the more
it.
practice we do, especially with bigger numbers.
Can we do that other one if we don't do the
All right.
thing on the back?
Let's just make some notes here of what numbers it can be.
Okay.
Multiply to give me 40.
5 and 8.
Multiply to give me 42.
6 and 7.
Multiply to give me 48.
8 and 5. 8 and 7. 7 and 6. 6 and 8.
All right, so I already know one number. Do you see how we can tell there's going to be a 6 here? Up here I got 6 or 7, so I already know where the 6 has to go.
Goes on the left.
Has to be on the left because there's going to be a 6 over here. I actually know what number goes here now too.
5.
Yep. All right, way on the bottom. 35. What two numbers give me 35?
7 and 5.
56.
5, 8 and 7.
Okay, again, I know where the 7's got to go
On top.
because I know there's going to be a 7 on the bottom. So that's a 7.
You also know the 41 too, because there's an 8 on the left. So you got
Yep, there is an 8 there already, so that means this has to be a 5. Which means then I know this guy.
6.
All right, see if you can finish it.
Oh. Okay.
And then you can check mine. Don't look up here.
No.
Don't look.
I'm trying. Stop whistling.
I'm not listening. I think I get a win.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, a lot of hot air.
Oh.
It's 200. 200 is 5, 5, and 8. 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 6, 7.
No, wait. I think I got it. I think I got it.
Don't talk.
I did it.
Don't talk.
She said don't talk.
Sorry. I did it.
Is it right? Did you check it?
Yep.
I know is yours right?
Yep.
I think you yelled if you got it right.
Mine was right.
I did yell when I got it right.
Oh, you yelled like the whole time before it.
I got mine right.
Okay. Back page. Try the left side. Remember the order is important.
Is this your last page?
Yep.
Then what? Homework.
You get to finish your homework you started yesterday.
Yay.
Cool.
Then I can
Might have to
start
check
the
some.
other one. And I can start the other one. Oh, my homework came back.
right, let's see what you got. Kira, going straight down. What do you got? Letters.
Okay. C-B-E-A-D.
C-B-A-E-D. What do you got, Landon?
E A C B D.
We got two the same, I think. What do you got?
E-A-C-B-D.
How many is that the same? I lost track now. Say it one more time. Count how many you got the same.
E-A-C-B-D.
That's all I got. Exact same as what I
You
got.
got the exact same?
Yeah.
How about you?
D-A-E-B-C.
Not even close to what I got.
I got the same thing.
You guys have the same and you two have the same. That's interesting.
So much the
Cheater.
same.
Hey,
nothing
cheated,
the
coach.
same.
All right.
No, I did not. Someone said it.
Let's look at some of the easy ones without the letters first, or the number in front of the letter, the coefficient. N minus 10. So that means 10 is subtracted from n. Which one says 10 is subtracted from n? Ten is subtracted from n.
E.
What?
B.
B.
Oh. I got that one right. I got that one wrong.
Now let's look at this one.
I thought we were going with the first.
N is subtracted from 10.
A.
N is subtracted from 10. A is correct.
I got that one right
Oh
too.
my gosh, I got them switched around.
That's bad. Gotta have the order. 38. 20 is subtracted from n. Or subtract 10 from n twice would be 20. D is correct.
Cool, I got that one right, Kira.
Okay. So let's see, what do we got left here?
Wait, shouldn't Maddie get all these right?
Subtract 10 from twice n. Subtract 10 from
See?
twice n. That's what I'm reading.
Oh. Is it 34?
Yes.
I got that one right. I only got
Landon, I don't know if I can believe you because you seem to erase every one time I said one.
I got them right. I only got one wrong. I only had one, and that was D.
The order is important.
The only one I got right was
I
D.
got
That's
like-
all I got right.
One right.
All right, see if you can do 44.
How do we square it?
Bunch of them.
With the two on the side.
No, Maddie, you gotta square it right.
Yeah.
I just don't know where. Yeah, you gotta. I think you put two below the end.
No, you do not below
This
it.
is for the food pantry.
Um,
All right, Maddie, let's hear it.
N divided.
Nope,
Oh.
N
nope,
N.
nope.
Just stop trying.
9.
Oh, we were actually.
It says divide 9 by it. 9 divided by it. It's gotta be that order.
Divide N.
And then square the whole thing.
With the
Got it.
thing.
N.
Yeah. What the? I said it was a 2. You did not. You never said anything about the parentheses. I have to. I didn't have
What grade are you doing?
Last one? Juniors.
Juniors?
46. See if you can get that one.
Oh no. Told you, Maddie, the two goes in the bottom. Wait, that was Kira. What?
What about me?
Never mind. It was for.
Stop looking up there, Landon.
Sorry, I didn't know.
You didn't know that just copying answers would be frowned upon?
No, I thought. thought you were writing
Stop
something
looking
for
at the
us.
board.
I'm not looking at the
You
board,
just
Kira.
did.
Gosh, Kira.
It is a lot easier to do it if you just copy down what I write.
But I'm a good student and I'm not gonna look up there.
When you have your equation, you can check. It is on the board. As Landon already noticed, since he never tried it on his own.
I did
I
do
did
the
it
bottom
differently,
one.
but I think we got the same thing.
I know X.
Well, yeah, you want to figure out what X is. I haven't done that yet.
Already did.
That's what I started doing.
Thank you.
Okay, it does say write the equation. So you do.
2x, where do you get 10?
How do I get to 10?
Yeah.
I did 6 plus 2 plus 2, since it's all on the left. 6, 2, and 2 is 10.
Can I look at the board now?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Man, I knew what you were looking at.
That's right. He didn't try it anyway.
Yes, I did. I didn't know how to get
Then
10.
as soon as they say work on your assignments, I got a question. I don't know how to do it. Well, that's because I don't have the answer on the board for you, Landon. That's what I'm going to say. That's what I'm going to say.
I'll remember that. I still remember the awesome trick shot when I was standing.
Maddie, what do you got for X?
Do
I
that.
got 7 right.
7 is correct.
I got 8.
Nice job.
I got 8.
I got 2 right today.
I got 8.
Well,
I got negative 2.
7 plus 2 is 9.
You get negative.
7 plus 2 is 9. That's 18 plus 6 is 24.
I forgot about the plus 2.
I got negative
Yeah, you
6.
did.
You have to subtract the 2.
All right.
Yeah, 7.
So that is the evens of lesson 5.
Thank goodness.
You guys already started this, but remember the order. I would double check if you already tried it. Make sure the order is important. You will do all of these.
No. This is the reason why I have
Page 27 for the homework.